Hi everyone, Matthew here. Today we are going to buy a new desktop PC. That was desktop PC. I've had my current Dell desktop for about 10 years, which is a long time to have a desktop, I'm sure. I just like to get really good value out of anything that I buy. With me being a lifelong Dell customer, I'm going to stick to Dell again this time. And having done a little bit of research already, I've narrowed it down to wanting an i9 processor because 9 is bigger than 5 and 7, so therefore it must be better. This is probably a good time to mention that I don't really know a great deal about the tech stuff to do with PCs. So with that in mind, I'm going to apply the logic that if I spend more, I'll end up with a better system. So anyway, the i9 processor that I so desperately need, that only comes available in the Alienware range of PCs. So here we are on the Alienware website. Alienware PCs for high performance gaming. Okay, so one more disclaimer. I don't game either. So this is probably wasted on me completely. But I've got to have the i9, so yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so let's do some shopping then. Desktops. Yep, gaming desktops. Yes, we know it's a gaming desktop that I don't need. Fine. New Alienware Aurora. That's the one. Starting at £899. View 12 options. Okay, yeah, we know. Okay, yes, there we go. Filters. We know we want the i9 filtered. Oh, yes. i9's expensive. But I actually got 15% off the final price with some discount code stacking. For continuity, let's pretend with these prices for now. Prices starting from 2349 for the i9. Okay, yeah, I just need to remember my logic. The more you spend, the better it will be. Okay, so view details. Here we go. Right, okay. Keeping the logic in mind. Processor i9 9900KS. I don't know what this means. It's £40 more though, so that one must be better. We'll click that one. Spend more, it must be better. Windows 10 Pro. Yeah, again, nothing like Pro level going on here, so that would definitely be wasted on me. We'll leave that one. Video card, no options on that one. Memory. Here we go. If we can spend more, we should, because it will be better. Click on that. Yep. Hard drive. Again, no options. 2 terabytes. Okay. That's pretty much the techie stuff out of the way. Now, the extended services. No. Get a Game Pass. Obviously not going to be using that. Yeah, that got out of hand quick, didn't it? 4359. But remember, it's going to last me 10 years. And I've always been pretty good at justifying things, so we've got to have the i9. The i9 is the must-have. And 4359, well, you think about it, that's over 10 years. So, a little calculation. So 4359 divided by 10 years, that equals, that's just £1.20 a day. And most important of all, the Alienware does have the cool colour changing lights. See, I told you I was good at justifying things. Add to basket. Okay, so here it is, the Alienware Aurora R9, spec'd up to the max. i9, got the i9, Dell i9, and the pretty lights. Pretty lights there too. It's really heavy as well, so that's probably good. Also, I don't really want to take the plastic off. So yes, there it is, the Alienware R9 Aurora R9. Yeah, I should probably do some gaming now. Is Solitaire still available?